One of the greatest strengths of Xperio3D is its flexibility. Every business has its own brand identity, customer journey, and legal requirements. That's why every virtual experience can be completely customized to match your organization. Let's take a closer look. General settings. The General section contains the core configuration of your experience. Here you define the Matterport Space ID, your SEO information, cover image, custom URL, publishing status, and loading behavior. You can also decide how your tour should load for visitors. For example, lazy loading improves page performance by loading the Matterport experience only when it's needed. If your business operates in Europe, you'll also appreciate the integrated privacy tool. By enabling GDPR consent, Matterport and all related cookies remain blocked until your visitor has given explicit consent. This ensures your virtual experiences can comply with European privacy regulations while providing full transparency for your users. Choose also the industry of your choose case to unlock useful, rich features. Branding templates. Now let's move to one of our favorite features, brand templates. Many companies manage dozens or even hundreds of virtual tours. Instead of configuring every tour individually, Xperio3D allows you to create reusable branding templates. Each template stores your complete corporate identity, colors, typography, menus, buttons, icons, brand assets, modal styles, and much more. Whenever you create a new project, simply click Apply, and your entire corporate design is instantly transferred to the new experience. This not only saves valuable time, but also guarantees a consistent brand appearance across every virtual tour. Of course, every project is unique. If required, every element can also be customized manually. Upload your own logo for both the navigation menu and the start screen. Adjust the logo size, or activate all white mode, which automatically converts your logos into a clean white version, perfect for dark backgrounds and immersive environments. Customize your brand colors, typography, backgrounds, buttons, icons, links, menus, and much more. Every change is displayed immediately inside the live preview, allowing you to see exactly how your visitors will experience the tour. Navigation is another important part of the experience. Depending on your project, you can choose different menu layouts. Display the navigation on the left side. Move it to the right. Create a collapsible side menu. Or use a permanent top navigation bar that feels familiar to visitors coming from traditional websites. You can also define how categories are aligned, select different visual styles, customize icon appearances, and adjust transparency and blur effects to perfectly match your corporate design. Modals and floating buttons. Every interaction inside Xperio3D follows your branding. Choose between different visual styles for your pop-up windows and floating action buttons. Rounded corners, sharp corners, modern liquid glass, photo gallery layouts, or other predefined design systems. You can even customize the colors of every individual interface element. Panels, headers, text, accent colors, buttons. Everything updates instantly in the live preview, making it easy to create a polished, premium experience. One feature our customers particularly appreciate is the integrated live preview. Instead of constantly publishing changes, every adjustment is reflected immediately inside the editor. This makes experimenting with different designs fast, intuitive, and enjoyable. Once your branding template has been created, you never have to start from scratch again. Simply click Apply, and your complete design, including menus, branding, colors, buttons, typography, layouts, and interaction styles, is instantly available in your next Matterport experience. Whether you're managing 10 tours or 10,000, Xperio3D helps you maintain a consistent, professional appearance across your entire portfolio. Accessibility. Creating beautiful experiences is only one part of the equation. They should also be accessible to everyone. That's why Xperio3D includes a dedicated accessibility toolkit. Visitors can benefit from features such as high contrast modes, larger text sizes, improved readability, enhanced keyboard navigation, and other accessibility options designed to make virtual experiences more inclusive. Whether you're working in hospitality, healthcare, education, government, or public spaces, accessibility helps ensure that every visitor can comfortably explore your digital experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, product updates, feature walkthroughs, and real-world examples of Xperio3D in action. Your support helps us create more content and continue developing the future of immersive digital experiences. If you have any questions, would like a personalized demo, or want to discuss your next project, our team is always happy to help. Visit Xperio3D.com or contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Xperio3D, from tour to experience.